very quiet. We're camping at Camp Crystal Lake.
Hey everybody, it's Matty Van Halen. If you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him.
No, we're actually camping near Ash Fork, just on a forest road off of Highway 89, coming up from Prescott. We spent the night south of Prescott in a dispersed camping area. Not nearly as nice as this. In fact, they were numbered spots, and there were, I don't know, maybe 10 spots, and they were all right on top of each other. But, you know, it worked for the night. But this place is awesome. Sometimes you just find a real gem. Found a couple of options for forest roads. This was one of them. And actually there were a couple more options just up the road, a couple miles. We're about 30 minutes south of Williams. And that is our plan today, is to head up to Williams. Maybe even ride the coaster. They've got like one of those gravity coasters in Williams. If you like camping in dispersed camping areas, and you're down in this area, I recommend checking out these spots. Right here you got like a tent clearing, or a potential tent clearing. You could get a lot of people in this area right here. It would be a good spot for a meetup, actually. Temperature here is about 25 to 30 degrees cooler. Well, at night, 30 to 35 degrees cooler than Phoenix. And then during the day, it's probably about 15 to 20 degrees cooler. For instance, I don't know what today is temperature in Phoenix, but it was 108 the day we left. It was going to be 108 the day we left. It was already 101, and it wasn't even noon yet. So it was like 11 in the morning. And it was 91 here, which was a hot day for here. But once again, you know, it's a dry heat. Everybody talks about that. It is a dry heat. It does make a big difference. One thing I noticed about this area, down in Prescott too, is there's a lot of wildflowers. Those are cool. Actually, there's a lot more over here. This is also a very clean area. That area down south of Prescott is a lot of trash. Like, it's almost as if nobody cares. But look, there's more flowers, yellow and purple. Anybody know what kind of flowers these are? You can hear the highway noise. It's actually pretty far away. It's not that close. It seems like it's probably about a half a mile from where we're at. We actually took the very first spot coming in here. It was such a nice spot. It was flat, well, relatively flat. I haven't hiked around here much yet. We just got here last night right before the sun was setting, or right as the sun was setting. Kelly's already been up and walking around. I'm more of a night person. I was up till, you know, midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning last night. She was in bed by probably 10, so there's a lot of fire pits around. I thought this was just a pile of rocks, but this is actually starting to look like it's a fire pit. Or maybe it is just a pile of rocks. No, it's a fire pit. And then there's this little valley right here, a little ravine, little tank, or whatever you want to call it. Well, we're gonna pack up. We're gonna head up to Williams, where it's even just a little bit cooler. Daytime temps are right now in the low 80s, but at night it's getting down in the 50s. So it'll be nice and cool in this truck. Truck retains its heat for most of the day. You know, it's getting sun from the rooftop. and it's getting heat from the transmission underneath into the box. So it's kind of like an oven in there when you're driving. So we try to open it up and let it cool down, and maybe even run the air. If we got lots of solar, run the air conditioning for an hour or two if we're sitting in a town somewhere. Let it cool down, but then you drive to the next camping area and it warms up again.
Hi.
Oh, and there's Kelly.
Sorry, I was just catching up on some work.
Yep. Okay.
Because the internet's pretty good here.
Is it? Awesome. Yep. There you go. The internet's pretty good here too. Well, this has been Greg with another episode of Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It's just like a walk around this camp area. If you're ever in this area, I hope you have a chance to check it out. It is, like I said, between Prescott and Williams, Arizona. You could get in here with even pulling a fifth wheel. So you can't go far back, but you could get into some of these closer spots. We'll see you next time on Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers.